back to my channel. It's Amelia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm just going to be doing this video on how I got this look, the makeup look, and then it's kind of like a makeup tutorial and like a hair review in one video. So this wig is the Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, and it's one of the synthetic wigs. This one is Letitia. I put her on yesterday, but I didn't have time to record a video because I was rushing to get ready for New Year's. But this is her. She's like so big. Like, a lot of people have been giving me compliments on her. Like, I posted her on my Instagram and everybody's signing up like, oh my gosh, your hair looks so good, you look so pretty. And I think it's because of the volume of the hair and just how it looks. Like, it's just giving like everything it needs to give. This is one of the best synthetic wigs I ever had. Like, I fell in love with this company when I first tried the other long one that I have on my channel, but I was like, let me get some other ones. I didn't like two other ones I didn't approve, but this one I approve of it. Yeah, the hair's just nice. Like, can we just like just get into everything? But yeah, so please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is brush out your eyebrows in the direction that it's going, and I'm doing a voiceover, so yeah. So then you want to start under your eyebrows and you just want to draw a line, and then I like to start at the end of my eyebrows just to get the measurement correct, like how I want to arch my eyebrows, get that right. And then you want to keep on making your way towards the front of your eyebrows, and you don't want to put too much of your brow pomade on the brush because it's going to come on too dark. So you want to go light and you want to do light strokes. And then yeah, like I said, you start from the end and then you just make your way towards the center. And then like you see, I'm doing it lightly and I'm brushing it lightly so it doesn't come on too much. And then you want to brush it throughout. It's the whole process. You keep on brushing, you keep on applying more. And then for my concealer, I use that. I'm gonna put the concealer name in the video, so yeah. So then you just want to start under the line and you want to follow in the direction that your eyebrows going. And then I like to make my way at the top, and then in a second I'm going to go towards the front, and then I like to flip the brush like that just to make it straight. And all of this, just make sure you have it, like makes you get a precise brow. Like, I like my brows to be defined kind of. And now I'm just taking a brush and I'm just blending it out. And you want to keep on blending it out until it kind of like the concealer blends into your skin, and you want to drag it down onto your eyelids because I have dark eyelids, so that's why I drag it down. And now I'm just using a beauty blender and just tapping everything in just to make sure it's smooth and flawless. Yes, now you want to go in with your primer. I use the Fenty primer and I just go ahead and rub it in a little and I tap it in all around where the foundation is going to go. Yep, and now I'm using my Fenty brush and I'm just applying my foundation. And you want to drag it down in one direction. Like when I'm on my cheeks, I always pull it down. When I'm on my forehead, I pull it to the right and the left. And then yes, and now I'm just brushing it again, like I said, just to make sure that my eyebrows look good. And then I'm gonna finish doing the other side off camera, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, just blend. All right, and then I'm still blending my eyebrows, as y'all can see, and I'm going in and filling in wherever I need to fill in. I like my eyebrows to look a certain way, so I'm just trying to make sure both of them match. Now I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using Born This Way concealer. I'll put the name in the video right on the screen somewhere. And yeah, I want to start on my nose. I started this new contour technique, and you start on your nose and you don't drag it down as much anymore. You want to drag it towards your cheek because I feel like it makes my face look more skinnier and more contoured when I do it this way. And I really want to drag it on my nose because I have a flat nose. And yeah, so this is my new way I contour. You want to hit your nose, hit under your chin, or on your chin, and then you want to get between your mouth and your nose, and then you want to get your forehead, so y'all can see my forehead is popping. So yeah, you want to put some concealer over there just to make sure that your face is snatched. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to do is take your beauty blender, and it helps if you make it a little bit damp, and then you're going to just tap it in. I start off near my nose and I just want to tap it going up. I don't want to drag it down lower. And yeah, and then you just want to blend it all over your eyes. You just want to tap it in. And then I'm going over with Fawn just to make it more popping, like make the highlight more popping. Then I'm going in with my Sasha Buttercup and I'm tapping it in. And for my setting powder, I tap it all the way in, like everywhere. And I'm tapping. I'm not smearing, I'm not dragging, I'm just typing. I'm just tapping it. And then you just want to tap it everywhere that you put your concealer so it can highlight and be like more popping than the regular areas. And yes, you just want to keep on tapping it in everywhere. And you don't want to go too crazy with it. But I always go in and just use a little brush and just brush off the excess powder. And yes, it just helps it look more like natural and not too pale, because you don't want your powder to be making you look too white. So now I'm going in with my contour and I use the Black Radiance medium to dark, and I go over my nose. I go near my cheeks where my cheekbones are just to make it like more hollow, and I go under near my chin because it makes your face look more snatched, especially if you're getting like a double chin like I am. And then I go on my forehead just to contour it. And now I'm using a beauty blender, a different one, and you're just tapping in the areas that you basically just put your contour. And yeah, you just keep on tapping. And now I'm going on my mascara. I use Better Than Sex mascara. I love it. And now I'm going in for different contour. I use Black Radiance again, but the deep to dark, I think. And you just want to go lightly with this. You don't want to do it too hard with this, because sometimes it comes off too dark. Like I kind of went too dark, but I like a harsh contour. So you want to go under your chin. You just want to go over it everywhere basically that you just contoured previously with the other one. And then yeah, you just want to brush it lightly. Like I said, I kind of did too much, but I ended up fixing it. And then if you want to be extra, you can go under your contour with your setting powder, and it makes your face look more snatched again. This is if you're trying to have your face really snatched. And then I use the same brush and I just blend it out. Now I'm going in with my blush and I go over my contour, and this helps to make your contour be less like harsh. And I'm going back in with my Anastasia palette, and I use the one on the left and the bottom left, the bottom top and bottom left. And you just go over your highlight areas, like under your eyebrows, on your nose, especially your nose. And now, yep, I put the lashes on. And now for the lip combo, I just use my what's it called, my brow pomade. The thing I use in my brow pomade, I use it around my lips. Sometimes you can get a lip liner, but I couldn't find my lip liner. And then I just went in with pink lipstick in the middle, and you just want to outline the shape of your lips. You don't want to do it too much, and you just want to rub it in. Then you're gonna go in with I went in and put some more lipstick because I like the pink to show, because sometimes the black be overpowering it. Now you're gonna go in with any beauty supply lip gloss, and you just want to put it over it. I always use lip gloss because I like my lips to be glossy and not so much like just lipstick. And I'm going back in with my palette again, but this time I'm gonna add some highlight to my cheeks, just a little bit, just a little something. And then yes, I'm gonna put the link to these lashes in the bio because these lashes are really cute. The girl who sold them, all her lashes are bomb. So now I'm going on my edge control, time for the hair. And yeah, basically I'm just gonna brush it out. This hair, I really liked it. I wore it to sleep, so it kind of got like natted up and stuff quickly. This is a synthetic wig from Sensational 9, the Cloud 9 brand. And yes, the first few days though, it'd be so bomb. It'd be so straight to comb through, and I really like this hair. It had so much volume, and it's perfect for if you need a quick wig for an occasion that you're only gonna wear for like 3 occasions. It's really perfect. And then yes, that's the final look though. And this is the length. I'm 5'3", and it stops me like right above my butt kind of. And yes, as you can see it sitting down, it just looks so good. And I think I'm talking now, so I'm gonna stop and let y'all watch the video. But yes, wow, this hair looks so good. Like, oh my gosh, the face, the hair, like I look like a Barbie, like my shirt says. Like, damn, is that me?